9 birds that can swim like fish. Penguins. Habitat. Primarily in the southern hemisphere, especially Antarctica. Swimming style. Use their flippers like wings to fly underwater. They are incredible, agile and fast swimmers. Some species can reach speeds up to 22 km. Diet. Mostly fish, krill and squid. Fun fact. Emperor penguins can dive over 500 meters deep and hold their breath for more than 20 minutes. Ducks. Habitat worldwide in both freshwater and marine environments. Swimming style. Use their webbed feet like paddles to move through the water. Diving ducks can submerge completely. While dabbling, ducks tip forward to feed near the surface. Diet. Plants, insects, small fish and invertebrates depending on species. Fun fact. Mergansers, a type of diving duck, have serrated bills to grip sleepy fish. Puffins. Habitat coastal cliffs and islands in the North Atlantic. Swimming style. Puffins are underwater flyers. They flap their wings to propel themselves underwater just like penguins. Diet small fish like sand eels and herring. Fun fact. Puffins can dive up to 60 meters and carry multiple fish in their beaks at once thanks to a special hinge in their jaws. Swans. Habitat lakes, ponds, rivers and wetlands around the world, especially in temperate zones. Swimming style. Swans are surface swimmers. They use their strong webbed feet to glide gracefully across the water but rarely dive deep. Diet aquatic plants, algae, small insects and snails. Fun fact. Despite their elegance, swans can be fiercely territorial and are powerful swimmers from a very young age. Cormorants. Habitat found worldwide along coasts, rivers and lakes. Swimming style. Cormorants dive from the surface and use their webbed feet to propel themselves underwater, not their wings like puffins or penguins. Diet primarily fish. Fun fact. Their feathers are not fully waterproof. This helps them dive more easily, but it means they often spread their wings to dry after swimming. Loons. Habitat lakes and freshwater bodies, mainly in North America and parts of Europe. Swimming style. Loons are powerful foot-propelled divers using their large webbed feet placed far back on their bodies for efficient swimming. Diet fish, crustaceans and aquatic insects. Fun fact. Loons are such good swimmers they are almost helpless on land. They can barely walk, but they can dive over 60 meters underwater. Kingfisher. Habitat found near rivers, lakes and coastal areas worldwide. Swimming style. Kingfishers do not swim underwater like ducks or penguins. Instead, they dive from the air, plunge into the water to catch fish with their sharp bills and immediately fly out. Diet small fish, insects and amphibians. Fun fact. Kingfishers have specially nictitating membranes that protect their eyes when they hit the water. Eider duck. Habitat coastal, Arctic and northern oceans. Swimming style. Eider are diving ducks. They use their webbed feet to paddle underwater in search of mollusks and crustaceans. Diet mussels, crabs and other marine invertebrates. Fun fact. Eider down collected from their nests is one of the warmest and softest natural insulators known, used in luxury bedding and clothing. Waterfowl. Ducks. Example mallard, wood duck, merganser. Habitat freshwater lakes, rivers, woodlands, coastal waters. Traits. Webbed feet, waterproof. Feathers, dabbling or diving. Feeding habits. Geese. Example Canada goose, snow goose. Habitat lakes, marshes, grasslands, often migratory. Traits. Longer necks, graze on land and water. Graceful swimmers. Aggressions in defense of territory. Adaptations of waterfowl. Webbed feet for efficient swimming. Dense waterproof plumage for insulation. Buoyant bodies that help them float. Specialized bills. Flat for filtering. Serrated for catching fish. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.